Hello, my name is Sylvia and I am a Portfolio Activation Specialist from the Cisco Customer Experience Center. In this video, we will discuss about license migrations. Let's start by reviewing the purpose of a license migration. The goal of this process is to release balance of licenses that are not being used and will not be used for other licenses that you have not purchased but want to use. Once the license migration is performed, the consumption report will reflect the updated data. With this process, you can avoid a duplicate count of licenses in the EA workspace, and therefore a true forward invoice will be based solely on the licenses you have indeed used. And in which cases is it possible to perform a license migration? There are some common use cases. One, in case of a hardware refreshment or replacement. Second, in case of an overconsumption that is caused by a BPA hardware order with an attached license that would aim the replacement and not the expansion. Third, in case of an upgrade from a lower to a higher license tier. And finally, when moving from an on-prem to a cloud solution. Now, let's review how you can perform a license migration. In the Cisco Software Central, start by accessing your EA workspace and the virtual account of your enterprise agreement. We will carry out this example with the DNA switching suite, but the process is equal for other suites. For the desired suite, start by clicking on the Action drop-down menu and select License Migration. The new window License Migration opens. The first fields, license source, are indicative of the licenses you want to release. Select the correct source billing SKU and the corresponding source fulfillment SKU from the drop-down menus and enter the quantity to be migrated. The system will automatically let you know how many licenses are available for the migration. After filling out the license source fields in the same window, scroll down to the license target fields. Here you will indicate the licenses to which you want to migrate the released balance. Select the correct target billing SKU and the corresponding target fulfillment SKU from the drop-down menus and enter the target quantity. Scroll further down and in the drop-down menu, select whether this migration is being performed in the scope of True Forward or not. Include some notes that might be important. Once all the fields are completed, the Add button will be enabled. Click on it and right below a summary will be displayed. It is also possible to select multiple targets. For that matter, simply select another target billing SKU and corresponding target fulfillment SKU from the drop-down menus, type in the new quantity and click the Add button to add the additional targets. When you have added all the targets, click on the Next button to continue. Once you have clicked the Next button, the License Migration Review window will appear. In this window, you can review your license migration information. To finalize the process, click on Submit. Your license migration is completed, and the consumption report should now reflect the updated data. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.